Hi everyone, welcome to another English lesson. Today we are going to learn how to ask about animals and answer using simple English. You'll also learn when to say a and an. Don't worry, it's easy. Let's start. What is this animal, miss? What is this animal, miss? It is a fox. It is a fox. How about this one? How about this one? It's an ostrich. It's an ostrich. Vocabulary time. Animal. Any living creature, like a fox, ostrich, deer. Fox, a small wild animal with a bushy tail. Ostrich, a very big bird that can't fly. Miss, a polite way to say teacher for a woman. How about this one? A question to ask about something new. Grammar focus, a or an. We say a fox because fox starts with the sound F, a consonant. It is a fox. It's an ostrich. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Use an before words that start with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U. Now let's practice together. I will ask and you answer. Ready? What is this animal? It is a fox. How about this one? It's an ostrich. You are doing great. Great job today. You learn how to ask what is this animal and how to answer. It is a fox. It is an ostrich. And the grammar rule for a and an. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comment. What is your favorite animal in English? See you in the next video. Goodbye.